Today I'm sharing how to make red bean paste. I have a packet of 500 grams of red bean here. This recipe will make about 1.4 kilograms of red bean paste. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of red beans, 2 cups of brown sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 5 pandan leaves, and 3 liters of water. Start with washing and soaking the beans overnight. Put all the red beans in the basin. Wash it with water. We will only wash it once. Drain it. Add the water until it is about 2 to 3 inches above the red beans. This is to allow the red bean to soak and absorb enough water overnight. Alright, this is the red beans that I have soaked for more than 8 hours overnight. See, the beans have absorbed enough water and have reached the maximum absorption. Wash again before cooking. The first wash will always have a lot of bubbles. Wash it at least 3 times. Okay, the red beans are clean and ready to be cooked. I have 5 pandan leaves here. Tie them up so it can fit into the pot. The pandan leaves is ready. Let's go and cook it. Put all the red beans in the pot. Add in pandan leaves. Add in 3 liters of water. Switch on the heat. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 25 minutes, the soup is boiling and bubbling vigorously. Skim off the bubbles. Reduce the heat to medium-low and tilt the cover of the pot a little bit to allow the steam to escape, otherwise it will overflow. Set the time for 1.5 hours. From time to time, come back and stir to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. Okay, time is up. Let's check on the red beans. The water has reduced to more than half and the red beans are cooked and very soft. Discard all the pandan leaf. Leave the beans in the pot to allow it to cool down before blending it. After a few hours, the red beans have cooled down. Next, blend the red beans until smooth. I am using hand blender. Alternatively, a normal blender or a food processor can be used as well. As this is a small hand blender, it takes around 3 minutes to smoothen all the red beans. Alright, this should be enough. See, it is really smooth and perfect. Next, cook the bean paste. I recommend using a non-stick pan to prevent the bean paste from getting stuck. Switch on the heat. Put all the red bean soup in the pan. Add in all the salt and all of the brown sugar. Stir and mix until the bean soup and brown sugars are incorporated. Continue and consistently stir until the liquid evaporates and the red beans become a paste. This is because the bean paste can easily get stuck and burn at the bottom. This will take around 1 hour. While stirring, the bean paste may develop some bubbles. Skim off the bubbles. Okay, after about 55 minutes, the red bean paste has become thicker. Continue to stir for another 10 minutes to thicken the consistency. At this stage, keep stirring as the paste can get stuck at the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, the red bean paste is much thicker now and it is ready. Look at the consistency. It is a thick paste. Furthermore, when it cools down, it will be slightly thicker and drier. So I switch off the heat and we are done. Allow the red bean paste to completely cool down. Then we can pack and keep it in the fridge. After a couple of hours, the red bean paste has completely cooled down. Look, the consistency is just right and perfect. Let's try the red bean paste. Oh wow, this is so smooth, not too sweet and very fragrant. Delicious. Now we have a lovely red bean paste for dessert or kueh. As we have a lot of red bean paste that we won't be able to finish within a day. Here is how to store and keep the red bean paste. Put the red bean paste in the cling wrap as there will not be an air or moisture inside the packet, so it can last longer. Wrap it one more time. Next, wrap it with aluminum foil for extra protection. Place it in a Ziploc bag to waterproof it. Write a date it was made so we know how long it has been. Altogether, we have about 1.4 kilograms of red bean paste. I recommend leaving it in the fridge and to consume it within 10 days. Alright, it is a long process of making the red bean paste, but the taste is worth it. My family love to have it with ice cream. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.